Hello YouTube, we're going to make a chisel out of this. This is going to be a how-to video, so there'll be less talk, more work. I'll come back and show you little clips. I might not even be talking. My voice is kind of bad. Weather's changing. We're going to cut this off here. We want to let you know we're going to cut it with the grinder, okay, with the cutter disc. We're going to cut a little bit. We're going to spray it with water. We're going to be doing this outside. It's only about 40 degrees right now. It's still chilly. So this will never lose its strength. Even when we sand or grind, we're going to keep this cool, okay? We have something special with this end. We'll show you when we get to that, okay? We'll just be showing you what we're doing. There's going to be some welding involved. You don't have to do this to a ridge. You can just cut this off and pound on this end. I'm going to make it different. Okay, this is going to be angled on one side only, like a wood chisel, but it will chop a bolt off. I've made one before out of a Craftsman ratchet handle. As you can see, that's why I'm making something out of this wrench. So let's get busy. I'll come back and show you little clips of when this is cut off and things like that. Because when I take pictures, I get them confused. You know, I always put pictures at the end. This time I'm going to give you a little short video clip. You know, kind of show you around it. Okay, too much talking. I'm looking at the timer. It's a minute and a half. Let's go to work. Okay, we're done. You can turn your volume way up. Okay. I mean, it's globby down there. It's hard to get. And then grinding that out. I mean, I got that rough finish is gone now. Got a few defects there. But I didn't want to spend all day keep grinding in and welding, grinding in, welding. You know what I mean. Buffed up, polished. Good old American wrench, huh? This is not a straight bevel, it's curved. Because when I go on, I done this with the 4.5-inch grinder with a stone. I kept spraying it. Then I took the sanding flapper disc and did it. And then I came in my belt sander, and the belt goes this way. And I'd get on the belt and I'd kind of lift it. So I didn't hold it one spot, try to get an angle. I kind of went like this. That's the only way I can get that nice knife edge. So, kind of how I do like on one side of a axe head. There's a small micro little bit of an edge on there, if you can see it. Because I polished this too with polishing compound. But there is a nice sharp, it'll dig in, it'll cut something. What's nice is I wouldn't try this on a 3/8 bolts, but 1/4 inch, 5/16. I mean, if you can go an angle like that and get in that thing and chop it off. If it's on a piece of metal on a frame of a car or something, or if you get down low enough, you know, where this won't hit, then you can go this way. But you're kind of restricted for room, so you can come in this direction. And I use my other one for doing that. Plus, you could probably do a little bit of woodworking if that's all you had, but this is nice. I used all my abrasive wheels, everything I had to make this shine, to get a mirrored polish. there you go. 3/4 inch head, which now it measures with 3/4 inch ridge. The total head diameter is not quite an inch and an eighth. So, and this stuff is hard. When I welded this, I brought it in and put it in my stove bucket I have ashes in it, and for about an hour, and it was still hot enough when I took it out. But I don't think I changed the steel that much with all the weld. It is still hard to grind. It was still hard to grind this, and I sprayed this with a spray bottle that you could see the water droplets on here when I was grinding. So it never got hot, and I had on cloth gloves, and I was about right here with my thumb to sense the temperature. There you go. I'm talking at the end here for 3 minutes. Plenty of pictures and a little clip, so I just come in and show what I was doing. So, thanks for watching. If you have a welder, you can make something like this. Do it at your own risk. There's no proof of whether this is ever going to hold it with a big hammer or fracture. So, it's all experimental, put it that way. I'm not liable if you do this experiment and try making one of these. So, we're out of here. We had enough. You know who says that. Thanks for watching.